Hello and welcome to the second video of the second module. We speak about zoom and graphic selection. First of all, we have to load some layers in order to be able to zoom to one of them. So I suggest you to load the layers I've already uploaded into the course folders. Well, when we use a zoom, basically a zoom is used to arrange the view extension in order to visualize the loaded features in the best way according to user needs. We can see the zoom tool through view, navigation, we have the list of the zoom, or as well directly from the icons you have the same tool. We can set as well automatic zoom in and out from the view preferences. You see we have here zoom in factor and zoom out factor. We can type the number we want to use and then they will be applied into the view we have opened. We have other tool, the zoom in tool, zoom out tool, and the pivot zoom. The pivot zoom put the view at the previous extension. The zoom in tool, you just click with the left button of the mouse, you drag until to reach the bottom right corner, then you remove, and the view automatically is zoomed to fit the extension you have loaded. You have as well zoom to full extent or zoom to all. Whenever you are in the view, you just click zoom to all, and the view will be fit in order to view in the best way all the loaded layers. This is very important, the frame manager. You can go wherever you want inside the view and define an area that cannot be defined by the information contained in the attribute tables and save it for later direct zoom. Let's say, first of all, you zoom in the area you want to define. Then you click on frame manager, you name the area. In this case, I'm named Maghreb, it means Northwest Africa, and click on save. Then later on, from any part of the view, just click on frame manager, click on the previously saved zoom, and then select. And automatically, the view will go to the same extension you have defined before. Just try. Also, you can use the information of the table with locate by attributes. Just in this case, I've used the river layer. I select the system. I've selected Congo, watershed, river basin, and click go and then close. And you see the view automatically have been zoomed to the extension of the river basin of Congo. Let's speak about selection. Selection in JS can be done in different ways. In this session, we will deal only with graphic selection or based on spatial relation. And select by attributes will be detailed in topic 3 concerning attribute table. Let's have an overview of the available selection tool. It is a simple one. Just click on the features and it will be put in yellow. It will be selected. You can clear all the selection you have done, or you select all the feature in a layer. You can reverse, let's say what has been selected would be unselected and vice versa. You can select the polygon, just draw the polygon, left click for every vertex and double click to close, and all the elements touched by the shape will be selected. Or by rectangle, it's the same, you drag a rectangle from the top left to the bottom right, and all the elements will be selected. You can select it as well by circle. You just click once with the left of the mouse, you click twice to define the radius, and then all the elements touched by the circle will be selected. By buffer, how do you do? You select all the layer you want to be affected by the buffer. First of all, you have to select a feature in one layer, let's say German. Then you click select by buffer. You define how many kilometer or other unit has to be used to define the selection. Then multi-layer selection, click OK. You see in this case I have selected 500 kilometers, and all the features that are within 500 kilometers from Germany have been selected. Here was selected cities, rivers and countries, so all the features of these three layers contained within 500 kilometers from Germany will be selected. Or by layer, let's do an example. You activate layer countries, it means it becomes bold. You select Iraq with a single click. Then you activate layer cities by clicking with the left of the mouse. Go select by layer. You define parameters like in the following picture. Let's say that you select from active layers items that are contained here in countries. Then you click on new set. You activate layers, countries, and clear selection, and the cities inside Iraq will result as selected. Just try. You see, in this case, you will see how cities of Iraq will be highlighted. It means selected in yellow. So after having done the selection you need, maybe you could have to zoom to the selection. So just use zoom to selection, and the view will be zoomed in a way to best fit your selected features. So now we can move easily inside the view. Then let's classify our loaded layers. We'll do this in the next topic, define vector legend. Enjoy!